Show me you can do it right, son. You're pretty useless. Get out of my sight.
Let me clean that spot on you.
You wanna mess with the greaser?
Tell me you can hit harder than that.
I just broke up with my chick, and I'm gonna take it all out on your face.
After I'm done hitting you, I'm gonna sit on you. Come on, people! Cheap shot! Let him go now! Show me your stuff, man! Get some! Oh, yeah?
Come on,
You're
hero.
in for a
Walk
treat.
tall, don't ya? Not so big now, are ya?
Now I really hate myself. Good thing I heal fast.
How goes it?
I know I'm only getting a C in math, but anytime I want, I can get an A. I'm a nerd.
So true.
Welcome to the bottom of the food chain.
Check this out, sucker.
And then I give him a wedge.
Take that, Nimrod.
You like to taste the fresh yardstick?
Maybe you want some
Bigger they
physical
come,
punishment.
the harder they fall.
I don't care anymore. This isn't
time,
for you.
I am furious. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Please, oh please, no.
I'm so glad I saw you today.
I'm going to have to show you the force of my will. The law always wins.
I'm sure you'll all be happy to hear that this is the last assignment I have for you.
Oh, you like that crane? Wow. It was a tiger, not a crane.
Thanks for lending me your bike.
Whoa, whoa.
You think the Bulworth HR people want to give a fella a chance?
Better collect this.
Take a chance, kid. Come on, kid.
Only for the strong.
Skin and bones, skin and bones. A prion disease, some said. A rare cross-species transmission, others said.
Another episode where they don't explain anything!
People ask me if I ever wish I was normal. I tell them, no way! I'm happy with who I am. I always have my sister nearby, and I have a great job. Life couldn't be better.
I said, Slugger, lightning don't strike twice in the same place. Teach him a lesson, pal.
Cornish pasties and nasty tin bees. It's always the same.
Cousin Steve tends to believe that I work in this mansion. Carlton, your friends are bastards.
Cruel twist of fate caused me to lose everything. One day I was fine, normal.
I'm beginning to worry about him. He's been out of control lately.
I wonder, did the army receive my application?
Winter's here and...
I'm very pleased with your progress, Jimmy. You show real promise. I have no more assignments for you, Jimmy. I'll miss these afternoons we've spent together.
No sweat! Simple.
If I don't get that A, my mom will be...
I'm afraid of rats.
If only Mama were here, we'd all feel better.
So not how I expected this place to be.
Don't worry, we can hide out together.
I'll shut passion all the way to the toilet.
Hi there. Hi. Are you asking me on a...
I got something
Date?
for you.
I'm so telling on you. I haven't told on anyone yet today.
You just made a serious mistake.
Was that an orc or a
I
job?
need more growth
I
hormone.
think I might be losing my grasp.
I really love bunnies.
I will not tolerate indiscipline.
And how does this day find you?
Bite me, dillweed!
Go home
Why
to
are
your
you
mom.
picking on me? What's up?
just don't understand the minds of troublemakers.
Hola!
Why won't you leave me alone?
Pathetic loser. I'm not a
I
pathetic
wish
loser.
I was a
Mom
centaur.
says I'm not.
I wonder if girls
I
ever
don't know
like
about that at all.
Why hasn't Mom called me yet?
I wonder if she's mad at me.
Hey, buddy.
That's not proper behavior.
I gotta go pee. See ya.
My butt itches.
What if I start a rumor about me being a princess?
Why'd she leave me?
Did you
Why?
try out for a team?
I wish. Evil doer.
Ah!
You wouldn't be so bad. It was just me a bit. No.
I'm not ignoring you. I just can't make real.
So he twisted my ankle.
I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect.
Why am I so attracted to bad
Hi.
boys?
Why are you hitting me? Why are boys so confusing?
Away. Stop so I can beat you.
You, huh?
You know, you should strike me down right now.
Mommy told me, stay in school, son, and out of profession. Now I'm last hired, first fired.
Now you're going
I
down.
really love.
Am I really the best dressed at Bullworth?
I won't be able to
I
go it
must be
alone.
Johnny.
I'm gonna need you.